And great progress stems from great questions, specifically when they are posed to experts. And the thing with questions is when you're a student and you're learning, you have a burning question because you have consumed the knowledge, you've executed with a project, and there is a gap in your understanding, and you pose that question. Well, what happens is that gap is filled. And to facilitate this, we created something called the question session. So when you come into the academy, every instructor has two question sessions that takes place every single week. And the main focus of these question sessions is to answer your questions. And we have a very robust structure that allows you to do this. So you send your questions in via a form. We track those questions. And then even if you're not live, that question will be answered live by the instructor. And that allows us to keep track of the questions, which tells us if our education is good or not, right? Because there's lots of questions in one specific area, or that highlights that we've made a mistake somewhere and we need to go back and improve the educational element. And it also means that everyone can benefit from the question, right? Which is why we don't encourage tagging instructors in the academy, because you get tagged once and you respond to it, five people see it. But when you have it recorded in a proper environment that is tracked, everyone can actually benefit from it. So these question sessions have been a foundational pillar in our educational structure. Now, what happens is when you combine these three elements, when you combine knowledge and you combine that with practice, and then you combine that with questions, what you get is you get progress, you get forward momentum. So this isn't rocket science, it's common sense logic. When you're in a position where you take this knowledge, you apply it, and you fill the gaps in your execution, your understanding by getting questions answered, the automatic result of that is forward momentum, it is progress.